about the relocation of our president from the estate.
I heard they couldn't pay back the money they borrowed from the loan sharks. And that was why they had to move out of the estate like thieves in the night.
Unfortunate. It shows that not everyone here can handle responsibility or prosperity.
Is that why we're here, to celebrate the downfall of another woman?
Mama, we were already moving on with the agenda. Perhaps it's time you stopped attending this meeting. You know, I hear that impatience comes with age.